Well, this is my normal lot. Geese, ducks, welsumers, random other chickens, ducklings, weird ducky. Now it's going on to the little ducklings with the mum. In there. No. In here. Yeah, there we go. You see the ducklings and the mum? That's them. And then we now got on to my favourite ones. The ones what cost me megabucks. My emus. Smaller version of an ostrich. It's not big yet. That one's 3 months. That one's 2 months. And I got 3 free ducks. Cayugas. But these, I don't know how fast I can go yet. Ooh! Yeah, pretty fast. I'm buggered to catch them. And yeah, welcome to my farm and welcome to my ostrich. Bye!